Good morning. Thursday morning. We're going to start. We're going to cut this concrete demo excavation, waterproof this whole area, create a sump pump pit over here. Good morning, guys. This is Monday morning. As you can see, the trench is done. It's about 4 feet deep. The first layer of waterproofing was applied. It's ready. Today we'll install the second layer. Okay, good morning. We're in Studio City, almost ready for concrete. What we have done over here, we excavated 4 feet. We waterproofed the foundation with 2 types. We installed a substantial drainage system. Everything is heading into the pump pit. Okay, we're in Studio City. It's a hillside property. This is our end result. Everything is looking amazing. As you can see, what we have done over here, we excavated 4 feet along this perimeter. We applied 2 types of waterproofing. We installed a substantial drainage system in the bottom of the trench. Everything is heading to the sump pump pit, which is 7 feet deep. We installed the surface drainage and everything is heading to the street.